That was my granddaughter.
I know it. Stop
Why
it. No.
she was holding
No.
her? I don't know.
No. I'm
But
trying to
I wanted to hold her, and I caught my grandson holding
You're gonna drop her.
baby
You're gonna
sister.
drop her by accident.
Well, thanks
No.
for Max Doodle, my grandson. Gina Doodle, my granddaughter, and for me, the grandpa. I'm actually a step grandpa, by the way. Ah. Wait, does Regina have mens? Wait, what type of pacifier is Regina holding? This, I know, but what is this? I know, but what type of passive, what other pacifier she's holding? The mens? What other pacifier she's holding?
Where's your lunchbox?
What different pacifier is she?
Well, they're both for the TVs.
Well, what's the other one? Men's? I had that when I was a baby. Even Elena. Fah!
These don't even look like magic beans. They're not even big enough to eat. I'm very disappointed.
What the fuck?
But Dad, those were magic beans. Now, Jack, we're both going to go to bed without dinner. Then tomorrow, we'll have to try to get our bean machine back. Good night now. I thought the beans were magic. I thought they would give us Rice Krispies.
No, because day by day, you'll see the difference. So tomorrow, you'll have something